1 year pa lang since nag-launch itong Turf Residences last January 2024. Tapos nag-groundbreaking siya nung...
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the groundbreaking ceremony of SMDC Turf Residences.
Pasukin na natin para sa construction update ng pre-selling ng Turf Residences. Entrance ng Turf Residences. So ayan, so nakikita nyo, start na ng construction. May tolda pa dyan. So halika, pasukin natin yung loob para mas makita nyo na gumagana na yung pre-selling. Kuya, papasok ulit. So halika, pasok na tayo. Thank you, kuya. So nakita nyo kung gaano kalawak itong Turf Residences. Ayan, nag-i-start na yung construction. Ngayon, ayan na, nalatag na siya. Nagpatag na siya ngayon. Hindi kagaya nung unang punta ko. So nakita nyo, nag-i-start na yung mga construction. Ayan, hanggang ngayon, biglaan lang yung punta namin dito. Pero tignan mo, naabutan namin sila, nagtatrabaho dito. Ayan. Actually, bawal nga itong pagpasok namin dito. Hanggang doon lang ako eh. Pero para makita nyo, eto, ayan. Buwis buhay tayo. Para makita nyo yung bibilin nyo na home nyo in the future.
Turf Residences, a premier residential investment opportunity. Located in the heart of Binyan, Laguna, Turf Residences offers a unique blend of accessibility, amenities, and luxury. This 6-hectare residential community is comprised of 18 mid-rise buildings.
Tatayo dito yung batch 1 ng 5 building. First batch na building na itatayo dito is building NOPQR.
Each equipped with secure parking lots. Turf Residences is situated near Brent International School,
just right across.
making it an ideal investment opportunity for students seeking convenient and comfortable living arrangements, investors looking to capitalize on the growing demand for rental